tell me something? What is the importance of gratitude in our lives? And do you people think that are we grateful enough on a daily basis? If we talk, are we grateful enough? Yes or no?
Yes. No,
Are we?
no, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, I feel that you can never really be grateful enough. You can't be grateful enough for anything at all whatsoever. And the best part about life is that when you get something from someone, it's not about returning the favor. Even if you can't or if you can, that does not matter. Show your gratefulness in every other action that you do for every person. For example, for the values that you're asking, how we inculcate them in our daily lives. Gratefulness is one of the most important things in my opinion, and if you are to inculcate them in your everyday life, all you have to say is thank you to people. If someone goes out of their way to do something for you, you should be going out of your way to do something for them, and not only for them. It shouldn't be a give and take. You should be giving always and every time. And so gratefulness in my opinion is that regardless of whether someone does a big thing for you or a small thing for you, you appreciate them. You tell them how you felt about their actions, and you give them validation. So you can never really be grateful enough.
Okay. Yes, Reet?
Just as you said that we can never be grateful enough, the amount of gratefulness we have is never enough. But sometimes we forget to be grateful for the things that we have, and instead we start complaining about the things that we don't have. Instead, we should really just focus and be grateful for what we have in the current moment. For example, everything that we currently have, clothes on our back, a good school and everything, we should be thankful about that. We should be grateful about that. We think that this is normal, but we are really privileged. And I believe the amount of gratefulness that we have, we still have to keep increasing it. As he said that no matter if the thing that the person did is big or small, the gratefulness should be the same.
Okay. So one should always be thankful even for the smallest things in life.